Hey friends, welcome back to my channel NY Hopper. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting events in the world of imaging and content creation, the BILD Expo, right here at the iconic Javits Center in New York City, brought to you by the legendary B&H Photo video. Every major brand is here: Canon, Sony, Nikon, Fujifilm, DJI, Insta360, Rode, and many more, letting you get the hands-on with gear and talk directly with their reps. If you are a creator looking to level up your game or a pro searching for the next big thing, Build is the place to be. Big shout out to B&H for organizing such a top tier event for the creative community. Whether you are here to learn, connect, shop, or just be inspired, Build delivers the full creative experience, and trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. One of the biggest highlights: world-class speakers and educators sharing insights, techniques, and future trends across photography, video production, and creative storytelling. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the BILD Expo, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome event coverage, and let us know in the comments what gear or session excited you the most. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative.